Hey guys, I'm back with another video on the Lego excavator. Oh yeah, there's the excavator. Party, 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 party. And it does this. This person. Now you can take this little yellow thing to a drill, but I don't like to do that. Also, I know this other thing. Oh, there's a Bible really.